You're happy to be here, Belle? Oh, you're happy. You're happy, Bella. You're happy. Good girl. Come on, let's go. We got Maury boy. We got Bella. We got Remy. We got Cinder. Cinder. We've got. Who else we got here? We got Phoenix. Torben. There's Finny. Finny. And where's Bodie gone? There's Bodie. And Bodie. Torben, Bodie and Finn, they're staying the weekend. Who else is staying the weekend? Jessie and Lola. Lola girl. Jessie. Jessie. They're staying the weekend with us. We got Missy girl. Kira girl. Echo. Where's Memphis? She's not normally far from here. There she is. Memphis girl. Echo and Memphis are staying with us the weekend. Oh, they're staying overnight actually. Aren't you, boy? Good boy. He loves his daycare. We got Bobo. I don't know if I said Bobo, I think. Bobo. We got Laura. Went for a ball. Good boy, man. Good boy. Good boy, man. Coda boy. Buddy. Where is he? There he is. Buddy. Oh, Maury's found his job. Maury found his squeaky. We've got... Who have we missed? Who have I missed? Thank you, girl! Marty girl. No Lucy today. She stayed home. She's got a bit of a rash on her back. So she's off to the vets today. Still just this. Go Missy. Go Missy, gal. We got a new dog today. It's Charlie. What's you doing, Charlie boy? Yeah, little boy. He's having a great time so far. He's joined in real well. And we've got Dusty. Hey, Dusty boy. Good boy. Good boy. You know Phoenix, don't you, bub? What do you got there, Mr. Maury? What's wrong? What are you saying, Maury? Squeak at it. What's wrong, Bill? What? What's wrong, Baba? Good doggies. How you going, Dusty? He's a big boy, Dusty. Well, that was yours, Missy. So you gotta jump in there and snatch it then. Good girl. That's yours now. Good girl. Snag it now. Good girl. Or is it his sandpit? Taking his squeaky truck down there. Get it, Missy. Get your ball. Bring your ball. Bring it. Yeah. And Remy. Remy's here today too, sorry. Chasing the dragonflies. What's on, Bells? You want the flirt pole? We can't do the flirt pole yet. Come for a walk first. Come on! Oh, you got that? Maury! Go, guys! Good girl, Laura. Good girl. Torben. Torben's waiting for the Swiss ball. Let's do the Swiss ball, Adam. Let's do that Swiss ball. Not yet, Toby. We'll do it later, Bubba boy. Yeah, you want the Swiss ball, don't you? You want that Swiss ball, don't you, boy? Good one. Let's go, Toby. Let's go, Toby. Toby. Really good. Really good. Hey. Right, Charlie boy. You're still carrying around. Don't worry. How you going, Charlie boy? You having fun, Bubba? You having fun, Charlie boy? Bye-bye. Oh, Coda, you ran over your sister then. Coda, boy.